To run a routine with action list to easily turn on some feature in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, and then tap routine, tap the plus icon to create a new routine. Next, tap the plus icon under if to add what will trigger this routine. As the example, we will make this routine to be activated automatically when you open YouTube. To do so, scroll down the screen, tap app open, select YouTube, and then tap done button. Next, tap the plus icon under 10 to add what this routine will do. Scroll down the screen, tap advanced option, and then select show action list. Now choose action to show in the list when this routine runs, so you can easily activate one of your preferred features that you might want to enable when you are opening YouTube. Tap add action. As the example, we will add an option to set equalizer for batch life to batch boost. To do so, select Galaxy batch life, select equalizer, choose batch boost, and then tap done button. Next, tap add action to add more action to your action list. As the example, we will add an action to set the Dolby Atmos to movie. To do so, tap sound and vibration, tap Dolby Atmos, select movie, and then tap done button. Next, tap add action to add more to your action list. As the example, we will add an action to set the video brightness to bright. To do so, scroll down the screen, tap function, select video brightness, choose bright, and then tap done button. As a note, you can add more action to your action list as needed by repeating the previous steps. Tap done button to save your change. Next, tap save. Give the name for your routine or just leave it by default. And then tap done button to add the routine to your routine list. To see how this routine works, open YouTube app. You can see an action list appears content with your selection action. Now you can easily turn on a feature within the list by tapping it. As the example, you can tap Dolby Atmos to easily turn on Dolby Atmos and set it to movie. Given to the function, you can use this kind of routine if you like to have a list of your preferred features that you might like to enable when the routine runs. However, this routine has a flaw because the feature you activate from the action list will not be referred back to the previous setting even when the routine is no longer run. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.